to my channel, welcome. I'm Mad Tzen and I'm a digital illustrator. I create Procreate tutorials for beginners. Today I'm going to show you how to import new fonts in Procreate. We need to come up here to the Actions tool, then click on the Add tool, then come down here and click on Add Text. Go over here to the right and click on the double A icon. So if you come up here, you'll see Import Font. Click on it. And if you have any fonts already downloaded into your device, you should be able to see them here when you click on Import Font in Procreate. So as an example, I'm just going to choose this font here and we see it importing. Now let's find it under the font list. And here it is. Thanks for watching, guys. Please support this channel by liking, commenting, sharing, and subscribing to Mad Tzen. If you have any questions, comments, or problems with Procreate, please leave comments down below because I want to be supportive and help you guys get better at using Procreate and also get better at your artwork. You can also check out my other Procreate tutorials, which I will leave links up above and also in the description below. I hope you guys have a lovely day and I will see you in the next Procreate tutorial.